So, everybody's always talking about astrology and how it's, fake. How it's not scientific, blah, 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 blah. And I would agree that the vast majority of practitioners of astrology purport to be able to fortune tell with it and other things. And I can't speak to the veracity of those claims. What I can speak to is the tendency for people born under sun signs to have similar psychological traits or life expressions. And it's not unanimous. I'm talking about similarities. They won't be unanimous. I'd really like to see a study done on it on a huge scale, studying the course of a whole group of people's lives, their whole life. Because I'm reminded of a study about a little duckling that when it hatched, the first thing it saw was a ping pong ball. And it believed that that ping pong ball was its mother. And this set us on to the understanding of the process of imprinting. And imprinting is like a save state where your consciousness saves everything about itself when it has a strong or traumatic event occur. So, if you will, imagine that's like a save state on a game, or like when they invented image copies, ISO copies for CD-ROM discs, so that you didn't need the CD-ROM disc, you just took a picture of the contents of the disc, and then it could simulate having the disc. Think of it like that. So, then I think about how the moon, every month, affects the tides. And the tides are water. And I think, well, we're mostly water, but at different mixtures, as in, different mixed components within us, so various density liquids within us. And when I think that a little further, I think about all the different neurochemicals and hormones in our system and the precarious balance that they play. And I can't help but wonder that they most likely all have different molecular weights as well, and so would be affected by gravity in different ways. And so my theory at this point, connecting those two different phenomena together, is that it's highly likely that these different regions of birth dates are really recording influences on our neurochemistry at birth. And so, of course, that would set the precedent for which all of our neurochemical reactions would need to, draw from as its base evidence or its base state. I'd really love to see some more studies on this, but that would require us to defeat scientism first. And, well, we'll see how that turns out. Until next time, have fun.